guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So it's been a while since I've done some eyeshadow. It's been a really long time since I've done an eyeshadow tutorial, so I thought I would just do that today. I was really wanting to use my Soph X Revolution Super Spice palette, and so I thought I would go ahead and film me using it today. Here's the palette if you haven't seen it already, which I'm sure you have because it's gorgeous and I feel like everyone needs it in their collection. So today I'm going to be using this palette to do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to take you guys along. So if you want to see how I got this super gorgeous, dramatic eyeshadow, then just keep watching this video. Alright, so jumping into the Soph X Super Spice palette, I think the first shade I'm going to go with is Papa, which is the darker purple in the palette. I'm going to take that on my Farah Blender Brush 25EL, and I'm just going to put that on like the inner half of my crease. By the way, I have already prepped my eyes using the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Concealer. So I'm just packing that in and slowly blending it to the middle of my eyelid. And I'm going to go ahead and clean off my brush so I can use the blue. Now I'm going to go into the shade Blue Lagoon. And I'm just going to start at where I stopped with the purple and blend it out and try and sort of bring it at an angle. Now on a much smaller blender brush, I'm going to take the purple, which is Papa again. And I'm just going to work on blending in the blue and purple in the middle. Then going in again with Blue Lagoon and doing the same thing, but I'm not going to wipe off my brush this time because I want the colors to be mixed together pretty well. Now taking Lockdown, which is the pastel purple, and I'm going to blend out Papa with that. Now taking To Be Fair, which is the white in the palette, and I'm going to use that to blend out Blue Lagoon. Alright, now taking a little pencil brush, I'm going to go back in with Papa and Blue Lagoon again, and I'm just going to like deepen up the color right above my crease since we are going to be cutting the crease. Now taking some micellar water on a Q-tip, I'm going to wipe away some of the excess shadow. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take the Revolution Cut Crease Concealer again, and I'm going to cut the crease with it. Using my Alamar Cosmetics, the like flat, I'm not really sure what you call this, like the flat concealer brush, and I'm just gonna like pat on some product, but like also helping like remove excess product. Alright, so there is one cut. I'm kind of leaving this area like blank because I'm gonna bring the blue in. Now I'm just gonna pat that in with my finger. I don't know why, I like to do this because then I know it's not super damp and it'll be a little bit more tacky. Then I'm going to go in with Dreamy, which is this like purpley blue duochrome shade. Now on the little pencil brush again, I'm gonna take Blue Lagoon and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner to make it into that winged shape. Going in with a slightly fluffier pencil brush, I'm going to take the shade Brownies, which is just a deep brown. And I think I'm gonna add that to the outer corner. I'm gonna use that brown to blend in Dreamy into the blue, but then I think I'm actually gonna add a little bit of black to just really deepen up this eye look. Now I'm just gonna clean that off even though we're going in with a darker color. Taking that same fluffy pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with Night Owl, which is the black. And then I'm just gonna add that sort of on top of the brown, but not taking it all the way to Dreamy, and just blending it on the outer corner. Very lightly, I'm gonna take it up a little bit into my crease, just ever so slightly. Now taking this itty bitty fluffy brush, I'm gonna take Blue Lagoon again, and I'm just gonna blend out that black. I am going to be adding wing liner, lashes, mascara, obviously. I'm going to do this off camera, but I will show you what I'm using. So for eyeliner, I'll be using the Bite Beauty Upswing eyeliner. This has been my current favorite, and it's just so matte black that I think it's really going to make this eye look pop. Mascara, I'm just using the L'Oreal Voluminous. Honestly, when I'm wearing lashes, the mascara doesn't really matter to me that much. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss My Lash But Better in Blessed. So I'm gonna go finish up my makeup and add those things, and then we'll be back to do the under eyes. Okay, so I have on my lashes and my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna do the bottom lashes. I'm not like 100% sure what I wanna do. I think I wanna do the Blue Lagoon on the outer half and then deepen it with the brown and the black. And then I think I want to just take Dreamy instead of the purple on my under eyes. So first, starting with Blue Lagoon on my pencil brush again. Actually, I lied. I'm going to take it like 3/4 of the way. Now on this teeny tiny little like smudge brush, I'm going to take Brownies again. And I'm just gonna run that on my bottom lash line, like right up against it. Now just using like the tip of this, like the very point of the brush, taking Night Owl, which is the black, pat that against my bottom lashes. Now just a little bit more blue to blend that all together. Now on the same flat eyeshadow brush that we took earlier, going back into Dreamy again. I'm gonna take that on the inner corner of my bottom lash line. So here is the finished eye look. What do we think? I love how like dramatic of an eye look you can do with this palette, but then you can also have like really simple eye looks. This is probably like the most dramatic eye look I've done with this palette. Alright, so I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you did enjoy this tutorial, if you like Soph, if you like Makeup Revolution, please make sure to like this video and subscribe because I also love Soph and Revolution. That is all for me. I post new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Also, I redid my nails using some Born Pretty polish and Beetles gel polish. Make sure to follow my nail account on Instagram. I'll link it down below.